This is how we start off day 3. Or is this day 2? This is day 3? Yeah, day 3 of daily vlogs. Taco Bell as we wait for little Chinnies to come through. Chinnies come right now. We're gonna do some car mods today. Since my wrap still hasn't showed up, update. If you watched the last video, wrap still hasn't showed up. So we're gonna do some of the Chin's car today, which is pretty cool. I like what he got, and you're gonna have to see. You're gonna see right now as soon as he shows up. But in the meantime, all the way from, I'm gonna wait. Recline my chair. I need some Taco Bell. Say goodbye to those stock tail lights very, very soon. They look good, but they gotta go. Like I spilled taco sauce on myself. Oh, I didn't realize it was a big spot until I came downstairs, but just throwing that out there, so ignore that. Oh. Damn, you are acting different. Dual tail lamp. The Linty. Oh. So Rich Chins, pull that box out, please. Ooh. All Japanese instructions? Oh, a Valenti decal.
Yeah. Pretty, yeah.
Cracked, okay. Japanese. Do you read Japanese around here?
Oops.
Some relays. Those are, what the fuck are they called? Resistors.
Oh, okay.
Resistors.
And I'll just pull out the one that I already pulled out.
Okay, see what you got, Chinny.
Check it out.
Ooh, you acting different. Damn, Daniel, you're not the real name. Oh shit.
Fuck, dude.
The Valenti smoke taillights. God damn, dude, I can't wait to see these things.
I was looking at them and I was like, it looks like plug and play.
Yeah, it looks pretty plug and play. I might have to wire in that resistor. If we do, I can do that.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Jesus, dude, those things look fucking clean.
Oh my goodness, I was looking at it. I had to check it out before, before I actually brought it over here and make sure that they weren't cracked. So
those are so cracked. They're still cracked though.
Yeah, I know.
They're not cracked, but they're cracked.
The problem that I was telling fam is that the instructions are in Japanese, all of it.
Facts. So we have no idea what we're doing. If we need a wire in a resistor, we'll wire one in.
But I don't know what it says.
It looks. I'm pretty sure it's plug and play. If it isn't, then well, we just gotta figure out where those resistors go, if anything. Oh, it says right here.
Right there. Yeah.
It doesn't say, but it shows pictures. We'll figure it out.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
We'll let the boys know when we do. Damn, thumbnail right there. Alright, cool. So we have the driver's side regular taillight, Valenti taillight. Ooh. What can we light them up? Alright ladies, we found what this resistor goes for. After a quick 2-second Google search, this resistor goes to the green and white wire, and the other side goes to the black wire. I have no idea why, but it says that's how it goes, so that's what we're gonna do. They include, like the resistor, these little vampire clips. You ever use vampire clips? You put one wire on the inside, and you put it over this other wire, clip it shut with some pliers or something, and you're good to go. Oh shit! Do that again.
Oh my god.
Damn, Chinnies. They look dimmer on camera, but they're pretty bright in person. Oh, those are your running lights?
Yeah.
Hit your brakes.
Ready?
Yeah, hit your brakes. Damn. Yeah, they look way brighter in person than they do on camera. 1000%. They're pretty fucking bright. For being smoked, they're pretty bright. Ooh. The camera makes them look dim. I don't know why, but they're really bright in person.
Oh, they are, dude.
Let me hit the brake, watch.
You
ready?
Yeah. Oh, dude, it brings it all together.
Hold on, one more test. Can you see it? Hold on. Let me check out that reverse.
Dude.
Damn, boy. Yeah, you can tell how bright the reverse is, I think, because it's white.
That's good, though, yeah.
Yeah, it's super bright.
I'll be able to see, too, because, I mean, with my windows tinted and stuff like that, like, I have to pull them down. I pull them down either way.
Turn your E-lights on. Yes, sir. Click, flash, 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 flash. I'm telling you, the camera makes them look dim, but they're hella bright, dude.
No, yeah.
They're really bright in person.
I can tell. I can definitely tell.
Jesus, dude, they're really clear and really bright. Damn, Chin's flexing with the Valentis now. Who are you?
Just a guy that is getting into the car scene.
T.
Yeah,
Jesus, Chins.
I just want to be rich like everybody else.
What do you think about this latest upgrade, Chins?
Really nice.
Fucking crack,
Really,
my
really
guy.
nice. They match my headlights now since we blacked them out.
If anyone hasn't seen this episode, we could clean them up.
Oh yeah, that's true too.
You haven't seen it already. Chins does have the blacked out headlights. Extra mean.
But took off the little roof rack that I had.
Oh, you took it off?
Yeah. You didn't notice?
How I never noticed. Jesus, it's gone.
Yeah, I put the cover over the car more often now.
Oh, okay, that's why you took it off?
Yeah, that's why I took it off, because then I would have to keep taking off the clips just to take off the actual bars.
Yeah.
Because it wouldn't fit with with those things on, so I took them off and then put it over. But it was a hassle, man. I didn't really want to keep doing that every night or every time I came from, work or whatever.
Nobody's even seen your side skirts and your spats though, Chins. Look at this guy. He's out here acting different today. Who is he? Elevating now some wheels and some coils.
Yeah, I think that's the, and then my tune, but
yes, tune of
that's the
course.
last thing that I need for the most part.
Wheels and coils.
And then I can start fucking around with the
Cosmetic shit.
yeah, cosmetics, but we'll hold that for another video.
Oh, you could be like me and order wrap and it never show up.
Yeah.
We're waiting all day. Still FedEx doesn't call me. It's already. Let me see what time it is right now. 2:46. FedEx still has not called me yet or anything. I'm telling you, I hate FedEx. I legit hate FedEx, and this is why. Damn, Ochins, you look really good.
They look really good, dude.
Those Valentis. Ooh. Ooh. Look at him go. In the sunlight, baby. Cracked. Damn, she's so cracked. Ooh. This cracked car. Wheels came out way better than mine. Tee. He's cracked. Look at him go. He's cracked. Fun, huh? Feel it though. Feel like it's like a lollipop in his mouth and everything. I probably shouldn't even. I gotta lower the volume on this. Like talk loud so we don't get the volume from the song. Don't want copyright infringement. Ingv Malmsteen, please. There's another kid out here, bro. If you're watching this, Mango, that was you right now, like 5 seconds ago. There's another kid out here, bro. So guess what? We're at the end of the video and we still have no vinyl wrap. Why? Because fuck FedEx for losing my shit. No, honestly, I don't know. We think my package is lost because I contacted FedEx. I can't speak. I contacted FedEx. I contacted Metro Restyling. They contacted FedEx. And FedEx said that they don't know what's going on. They'll call me and they'll call them back as soon as they find out where our package is. And even if I wanted to get a replacement, I'd have to order it now, pay all the money again up front. Then when they find the package, they'll send it back to Metro Restyling and then they'll refund me for that package. But do I got time for that? No, because I'm not rich. So now I'm sad sitting here on a Wednesday evening, barely editing this video. This is the outro we needed. So this is the outro last clip of the day. My battery's about to die on the camera. I need to go charge that. And we're just stuck waiting. So hopefully the vinyl shows up tomorrow. We get a call from FedEx, but I almost missed the daily vlog, but not today, baby. Catch y'all tomorrow, hopefully. Bye.